Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to rent a vehicle on CanaDream on PC. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. CanaDream helps you find RV dealer and RV and Canada rentals across Canada. To rent a vehicle on CanaDream, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.canadream.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to CanaDream's official website. Now here you can see the option of rent now on the right side of the website. Click on rent now. Then here on the top you can see a box. Now here you need to first select your pickup location by clicking on the given box. Then click on the given box stating you're starting on. Then choose the starting date. Now click on drop off option. Then choose your drop off location. With that, click on returning on box and enter the date in which you are returning. With that, click on select vehicle box and select the vehicle that you want to use. Then click on select country box and select the country that you belong to. After doing so, click on the box stating find pricing and availability. Now here you'll be directed to another page where you can see trip details. Scroll down. Now here you need to first select your travelers by clicking on the downside icon on the each box, whether they are adults or children. After choosing the travelers, now here you need to choose your kilometer plan. Choose the plan that is best suited for your trip. After doing so, you can choose your travel extras. You can choose your finance that you can use on your trip. To do so, click on add option, add down. With that, here you can see more information regarding extra kilometers, extra items and extra services. After doing so, scroll up and now here you can see total costing on the right side. If you have promo code, you can click on the promo code box and enter the promo code, then click on apply. Then click on proceed to check out. Now here you can see the checkout page. Now here you need to add information about your lead driver. First enter your first name, then last name on the given boxes. With that, enter an address on the given enter a location box. If you add the correct address, then your city, state, country and zip code all will be automatically added. Now here click on phone box and enter the phone number of the lead driver. With that, click on driver's age box and or select the driver's age. Then click on the email box and enter your email address. With that, re-enter your email on the given email verification box. The email must match each other. Then click on the box, yes, please keep me advised through email about CanaDream offers and specials if you like so. Now here you can see pickup and drop off time. Then on the down here you can see optional instruction comments or special request box. You can enter your instruction comment or special request on the given box. Then once view terms and condition and insurance policy. With that, click on the box that I have read and agreed to terms and conditions and insurance policy. Now click on proceed to payment on the down. With that, here you can see the payment section. Now here you can see the payment options. Click on the option that is most visible to you. After selecting the option on the down here you can see the billing information. Now here you need to first enter your credit card number on the given box. Then select your expiration month. Then select your expiration year. With that, enter your name on the card. Then enter your CVV on the given box. After entering all your credentials, then click on the option of submit. With that, you'll be able to rent a vehicle on CanaDream on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.